Good morning, online students. If I'm audible to you, just write yes in comment. So today we are going to cover basic of number system, and this is going to be very basic 6th, 7th, 8th NCERT, I will say. So those who have been gap of mathematics from last 10 years, so for them it will be like we will try to recall the concept what we have learned during school days. So I start with natural number. So first thing, we have natural number, all of you know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are natural number. Second one is whole number. Whole number, if in natural number you add 0, you get whole number. Only the thing you have to be careful in exam, whether examiner is asking about natural number, whole number or integer. Or if I ask you a question, what is the difference between whole number and positive integer? Can anyone tell me? What is the difference between whole number and positive integer? Positive integer is nothing, that is natural number. See, all this natural number के लिए आप you can use other word is positive integer. Positive integer बोलो या natural number बोलो, both are same. So in positive integer we don't have 0. In whole number we have one extra number, that is 0. The rest is same. Now next is third thing is integer. This integer include negative integer, positive integer and 0. Means it include -1, -2, -3, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Now here in 2022 they ask a question where some student they have done mistake because they have not read question properly. See, question was how many pair of integers, how many pair of 3 integers are there so that sum of these 3 integers is equal to product of these 3 integers. क्या पूछ रहा है? How many pair of 3 integers are there so that if you add this 3 integer or you multiply this 3 integer, you get the same value. Just think about this. Think about this pair of integers where you add. अच्छा चलो, I make this question easy for you. Can you tell me the pair of 3 natural number where you add this 3 natural number and you multiply this 3 natural number, you get the same result? 1, 2, 3. Yes. If you add 1 plus 2 plus 3, 1 plus 2 plus 3, you get 6. And if you multiply 1 into 2 into 3, here also you get 6. You can check next if you want to do manually, like you can check 2, 3, 4. But when you add, we have less change in the value. Value thoda sa hi badhega because 5 plus 4, 9. But when you multiply with a bigger value, 2 into 4, 2 into 3 into 4, you get 24. So in case of natural number, there is only one pair. And many students, they know this. 1 plus 2 plus 3 or 1 into 2 into 3. In both cases, you get the same result. You get 6 and 6. So many of the students in 2022 prelims, they mark answer 1 pair. कहीं सुना होगा natural number का, because it is common thing. Many of the students, they have heard about pair of 3 natural number where sum of this natural number and multiplication of natural number is same 1 2 3. बट यूपीएससी ने खेल लिया इस बार. यूपीएससी हैज नॉट आस्क्ड नेचुरल नंबर, यूपीएससी ने पूछा पेयर ऑफ इंटीजर्स, 3 इंटीजर्स where the sum of this 3 integer is equal to the product of this 3 integer. Think about this. -1, -2, -3. So here this is also integer. So this is pair number 1. So your pair number 1 is 1 2 3. Your second pair is -1, -2, -3. Your total is -6. If you multiply -1 into -2 into -3, so here we get -6. This is second pair. Think. देखो मेरे पास कोई ऐसा कैप्सूल नहीं है कि मैं आपको हर रोज एक कैप्सूल दूं और आप मैथमेटिक्स में अच्छे हो जाएंगे, बट आई विल फोर्स यू टू थिंक. ठीक है. एंड आई टेल यू सीसेट इज लाइक ए स्पोर्ट. नीरज चोपड़ा बनना है आपने और मैं एक कोच की भूमिका निभाऊंगा. सी हियर, दिस इज सीसेट इज डबल एफर्ट नाउ. My responsibility is like a coach, your responsibility is like a peer, like a player. For example, if you have only theoretical ideas, अगर मान लो एक कोच प्लेयर को बता दे कि हाँ ये टेक्निक यूज करनी है, and if the player will not do that on field, he will not get any of the medal. So you have to do your practice, you have to think. सोचो. Any other pair? 2 1 0. What you get total? 3. But product is 2 into 1 into 0. You get 0. -3 -3 0 3. क्या आ गया इसमें? 0. -3 into 0 into 3. 0. अच्छा. Okay, let me tell you, there is one more catch in the question. Consecutive. चलो, नहीं तो फिर तो इनफाइनाइट आंसर बन जाएंगे. दीपांशु को बोलना वहां 2022 का पेपर हो. 3 consecutive integers. There is one more pair, -1 0 +1. Here if you add, your total is 0. When you multiply -1 into 0 into +1, when you multiply any value with 0, it becomes 0. So the question was pair of three consecutive integers where the sum of these 3 integers and the product is same. Okay, chalo, now we come to the basic part. Natural number, whole number, integer. ठीक है. Next is fraction. उसमें देखना कैमरा बंद तो नहीं हो गया. बैटरी लेवल लो दिखाया था इसलिए. लैब बंद करके कौन ऑन कर रहा है? Yes, online student, class has been started. कैमरा स्टार्ट हो चुका है. No issue. Now here, in one of the year, based on fraction, one thing has been used in the question: proper fraction and improper fraction. So we divide fraction in two parts. One is proper, another are improper. So I'm starting from this point. ठीक है जी, ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट्स, यहीं से स्टार्ट हो रहा है हमारा फ्रैक्शन proper fraction and improper fraction. Online student, they can write in the chat. Okay. Offline student, tell me what is proper fraction. Numerator is less than denominator. Fractions are numerator by denominator. Proper fractions are those where numerator is less than denominator. These are called proper fractions. Like I give you example, 2 by 3, 7 by 10, or any example of similar fraction are called proper fraction. Where numerator is less than denominator, these are called proper fraction. Whereas improper fractions are where numerator is more than denominator. Numerator जो होगा वो denominator से बड़ा होगा. Like 3 by 2, 5 by 3, 10 by 7. These are called improper fraction. Proper fraction, improper fraction. Now tell me one thing. If I convert this proper fraction in decimal, your value will be always less than 1. You take this value, if your numerator is less than denominator and you convert this in decimal, your value is always less than 1. आपकी value जो होगी हमेशा 1 से छोटी होगी, less than 1. And in case of improper fraction, if you convert in decimal, your value is more than 1 because numerator is more than denominator. More than 1. Next is we have rule of divisibility. When we will take our proper classes from 2nd January onward, we will take in detail. Even the divisibility of 72 also, divisibility of 45, bigger number divisibility also. And I tell you the concept behind that. Today I just take divisibility of few of the number, like 6 standard I will say, divisibility of 2, divisibility of 3, divisibility of 4, divisibility of 5, divisibility of 8, divisibility of 9, divisibility of 10. Then you ask, sir, why you are not taking divisibility of 6, 7 not in a sequence? I tell you, even I will not take divisibility in sequence. Like I used to teach mapping part also. In mapping, like we have Ramsar sites, Ramsar wetland sites, maybe national park also. I have seen student, what they do when they have to remember the name of this Ramsar site, if you check in book, they have given the list alphabetically. Most of the thing in your book you find alphabetically. And I tell you the alphabetical is the worst way to remember. Because you will not get a memory in your mind. आप एक रट्टा मार रहे हो alphabetically which you will forget in a week. And some of you will forget in the night itself. So what I have done, when I have taught earlier, जब 4 साल 5 साल पहले पढ़ाया था, there were 28 Ramsar sites. अब तो 50 plus हो चुका है ना? तो अभी तो सिर्फ like it is same like national park. कि no need to remember each and everyone, only the important we will cover. फैमिली में ज़्यादा बच्चे होते हैं, किसी केयर नहीं होती है, फिर सिर्फ सबसे बड़ा या सबसे छोटा या इम्पोर्टेंट, ये सबसे लंबा है, ठीक है. अगर फैमिली में 20 बच्चे हैं तो देन यू विल से ये सबसे बड़ा है, ये सबसे छोटा है, ये सबसे बड़ा है, लंबा है, दैट टाइप ऑफ थिंग. सेम केस विद रामसर साइट्स नाउ वी विल हैव. बट अर्लियर व्हाट आई हैव डन, आई टोल्ड विद मैप, एंड देन व्हाट आई हैव डन, अर्लियर जम्मू एंड कश्मीर वाज ए स्टेट, ठीक है, 2 यूनियन टेरिटरी नहीं बनी थी तब तक. तो जम्मू एंड कश्मीर यूज्ड टू हैव 4 रामसर साइट्स, सबसे ज्यादा जम्मू एंड कश्मीर में थी 4. Then I told the state having 3 Ramsar sites, state having 2 Ramsar sites with mnemonic, and state having 1 Ramsar sites. बिलीव मी 5 साल पहले पढ़ाया था, अब तक भी कुछ स्टूडेंट को रटा है, मतलब स्टेट पीसीएस में इफ देयर इज अ क्वेश्चन दे आर एबल टू सॉल्व, और अदरवाइज मतलब उनको याद है. So the thing, if you will follow alphabetically, you have minimum memory about that, you have minimum retention about that. So you have to use extra idea so that you can visualize the thing either on map or a better sequence. Alphabetical is the worst sequence. Similarly here, if divisibility, you go 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, you will get confused about divisibility. What we do for divisibility, we will see where we have a similar concept. I have a family of divisibility. I will take in detail because I have to teach this to category 3 student also, but I tell you what I will take in detail on 2nd January itself. I will take this in detail. I divide divisibility in different part. Here one category I take divisibility of 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 because there is a similar concept. Second, I take divisibility of 3 and divisibility of 9 because divisibility of 3 and 9 have same concept. उनका concept बिल्कुल same है. Then divisibility of 5 and divisibility of 10. Then I take divisibility of 11. 11 is totally different. Divisibility of 11 is different from all other divisibility rule that we will see in detail. After that, I take divisibility of 6, 12, 15, 18, bigger number 33, 45, divisibility of 72, 90, 99, because there is a concept we are going to use for this divisibility. Then we take random number like divisibility of 7, divisibility of 13, 19, 29, this type of number mainly. So the idea is, even in GS also, don't remember each and everything alphabetically, because the point is every week you have to remember again and again. It is waste of time. I tell you one thing which restrict you to do a better work is, in starting it may cost double time, but आप जल्दीबाजी में हो, आपको फटाफट रामसर साइट निपटानी है विद इन 1 hour में भी, ठीक है, एंड देन यू हैव टू कवर द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक. बट हियर today you are giving 1 hour, after 1 month also you are giving 1 hour, after 2 months also you are giving 1 hour, because alphabetically I guarantee you every time it required 1 hour that to go through these Ramsar sites. Starting take 2 hours, make a visualization, make a proper structure of this Ramsar site on map of India. Believe me, next time it will take only 5 minutes. But you don't want to give 2 hours in the starting. आपको लग रहा है मेरा time waste हो रहा है. You want to cover in 1 hour. If you are doing really good work in starting, it will cost you double time. But it is going to pay you, because next time when you will revise, it will take 10% time. I guarantee you 110 time it will take if you are doing the thing in a structure way. So similarly, I will not take divisibility rule in a 2, 3, 4, 5 in continuity, because what will happen that every month I have to teach you again divisibility. अगर मैं वैसे पढ़ाऊंगा तो मुझे हर महीना आपको पढ़ाना पड़ेगा, मैं इतनी मेहनत नहीं कर सकता. स्टार्टिंग में I will take more time. I will clear you each and everything in a systematic way, so that later on you have to revise, and it will take only 5 minutes to revise. So what I will do today, I will tell you the rule of divisibility of 2, 4, 8, 3, 9, 5 and 10. I will cover each and every divisibility, but after 2nd January. Today it is basic idea, so we will have an idea of divisibility of 2, 4, 8, 3, 9, 5 and 10. Because later on when I will take this topic with category 3 student as well, then you will be in level playing field. आपको फिर ये है कि एटलीस्ट ये पता होगा तो फिर आप मैच कर पाओगे, नहीं तो आप इसी में दिमाग लगाते रह जाओगे. So now we start with the divisibility of 2, and I think many of you already know what is divisibility of 2 rule is unit place digit. If the last digit is divisible by 2, it means the complete number is divisible by 2. और यू कैन से इफ नंबर इज इवन नंबर, ये भी बोल सकते हो कि अगर वो नंबर इवन नंबर है तो वो 2 से डिवाइड होगा. और यू कैन से इफ एट यूनिट प्लेस देयर इज आइदर 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, that number is divisible by 2. All these three are more or less same. Or what is the rule for divisibility of 2? No need to check complete number, only the last digit is more than enough to check divisibility of 2. If I take example 917 and 916, we know this 6 is divisible by 2, so you can conclude this complete number is divisible by 2. Whereas this 7, it is not divisible by 2, so this number is not divisible by 2. Like if I ask you 1331, if it is divisible by 2. Achha, if number is not divisible, then we need remainder. And the beauty here is the short trick here will tell you either the number is divisible, if not, then the last digit itself will tell you what is the remainder. So if you divide 1 by 2, that 1 itself is the remainder. This 7, you check if 7 is divisible by 2? No. If it is not, then what is the remainder? If you divide 7 by 2, what is your remainder here? 1. Like for example, 44,145. If it is divisible by 2? No. Then what is the remainder? So here this 5 only, if you divide it by 2, you get remainder 1. Only the unit place digit will tell you either it is divisible, if not, then what is the remainder. Now next comes divisibility of 4. In divisibility of 4, last 2 digit, no need to check complete number, only the last 2 digit are more than enough to find whether number is divisible by 4, yes or no. Like if I take number 45,144, we will check this 44. If it is divisible by 4, yes, otherwise no. अच्छा, there is one more homework for you. आज के लिए आपका क्या homework है? That you have to remember table of 4. आप बोलोगे सर आती है. But you should know the multiple of 4 till 100. Because I am going to use this in calendar topic also. Like for example, if I ask you whether 78 is a multiple of 4, yes or no, tell me. No. ये response आना चाहिए तुरंत. So you should know 76 is a multiple of 4, 80 is a multiple of 4, 78 is not a multiple of 4. No need to check. You should know this. Like if I ask you 86, if it is divisible by 4, no. So you remember, लिख लेना एक बार. You write multiple of 4 till 100 on a A4 size paper and you read once. Because I'm going to use this in calendar topic as well. And I'm going to use this in my unit digit of x is to power y. Matlab, there are higher concept of number system where I need multiple of 4. I come to the topic. Divisibility of 4 is, here rule we check only last 2 digit. If the last 2 digit are divisible by 4, it means this complete number is divisible by 4. So 45,144 is divisible by 4. If I say 36,163, this 63 is not divisible by 4, it means this complete number is not divisible by 4. And if it is not divisible, we need remainder. For remainder, no need to check complete number, you check only last 2 digit. We check only last 2 digit. If this last 2 digit divided by 4 give you remainder 3, it means this complete number also give you remainder 3. So the concept is, it check your divisibility. If it is not divisible, it tell you the remainder also. Only the last 2 digit. पूरा number divide करके नहीं देखना है. It is waste of time. You check only last 2 digit if it is divisible. If not, you get the remainder. Like for example, I ask you one question. 97,177. Tell me if it is divisible by 4, yes or no? No. Then what is the remainder? 7 बहुत बड़ा हो गया सर। देखो आई टेल यू, मैं 7 वाले पॉइंट पे भी आता हूं। बेटा बाप से बड़ा नहीं हो सकता। दिस इज ए कंसेप्ट, ये कंसेप्ट आपको बता देता हूं, बेटा बाप से बड़ा नहीं हो सकता। सी हियर, योर डिवाइजर इज 4। द कंसेप्ट इज योर रिमाइंडर विल नेवर बी 4 और मोर देन 4। If you are saying 7, it means you have not done your proper division. You have to write 4 again, so your remainder 3. If it is 7, पहली बात तो आपका 7 वैसे भी गलत था, but in case if it is 7, if your divisor is 4, your remainder will be either 0, 1, 2, 3. बेटा बाप से बड़ा हो ही नहीं सकता। Your remainder cannot be equal to divisor, cannot be greater than divisor. अगर आप किसी नंबर को 11 से डिवाइड कर रहे हो एंड यू आर टेलिंग मी योर रिमाइंडर इज 13, दिस इज रॉन्ग। यू हैव नॉट डन योर कंप्लीट डिवीजन, आपने अपना पूरा डिवीजन किया ही नहीं है। इसको फिर 11 लिखो, अल्टीमेटली योर रिमाइंडर इज 2। इफ योर डिवाइजर इज 11, योर रिमाइंडर विल लाई फ्रॉम 0 to 10। वो 11 या 11 से बड़ा हो ही नहीं सकता, हो ही नहीं सकता, क्योंकि बेटा बाप से बड़ा नहीं हो सकता। ठीक है, now here this is 77, will tell you whether it is divisible by 4, yes or no. No, then last multiple of 4 is 76, so your remainder is 1। आपका remainder यहाँ 1 है। If you divide this entire number, complete number by 4, your remainder will be 1। Only 77 is more than sufficient to check। Now one more quickly, 3,52,154। No, then what is the remainder? 2. This 54 divided by 4 gives you a remainder 2, because 52 is a last multiple of 4, so a remainder here is 2। Next come divisibility of 8. The concept for divisibility of 8 is last 3 digit। If the last 3 digits are divisible by 4, sorry, divisible by 8, it means the complete number is divisible by 8। Like for example, if I take my number 45,144, you have to check 144. If it is divisible by 8, yes, 144 we divide by 8, 8, 64, 64, yes, it is divisible. So this complete number is divisible by 8. If the last 3 digits are divisible by 8, it means the complete number is divisible by 8. Last year in one of the batch, one student told me, sir, if the number is not a bigger number, मान लो अगर नंबर ही itself 2 डिजिट नंबर है, मुझे ये बताओ, अगर एक एग्जामिनर आपसे ये पूछ रहा है, कितना अजीब लगेगा? मतलब उसको चेक करने में कितना ही टाइम लगना है? 80, 88, 96। भाई 2 डिजिट का टेबल ऑफ 8 यू नो। After 80, what is the next multiple of 8? 88, 96, otherwise it is not divisible। तो we use divisibility for bigger number। छोटा नंबर तो वैसे ही चेक हो जाएगा, you can automatically check। 2 डिजिट चेक करने में कितना टाइम लगना है? 3 डिजिट से कम। Now here 93,136, so rule tell you that we check 136, if it is divisible by 8, it means complete number is divisible by 8। We will check 136 divided by 8, 8, 56, 56, yes, so it means this number is also divisible by 8। Now for example, I take number 64,243। one thing is it is not divisible, then we need remainder। So our concept is no need to check complete number, we check only last 3 digit, either it is divisible, if not then it tell you the remainder। 243, if you divide by 8, your remainder is 3, so this complete number give you remainder 3। Now you check 97,171. If it is divisible by 8, yes or no? If no, then what is the remainder? So this 171, it is not divisible by 8. One thing, here we try to divide by 8. So here this is 16, 11, 8, remainder is 3. So this complete number give you remainder 3. $27,242. Check if it is divisible by 8, yes or no? No. Then what is the remainder? Acha, what type of question ask in exam? They will say 2,32,024 star. And this complete number is divisible by 8. This complete number is divisible by 8. How many different value of this star is possible? How many different value of star is possible? I give answer option. Answer option A 0, answer option B 8, answer option C either 0 or 8, answer option D 2. B, why not C? Why not C? क्योंकि 0 भी तो हो सकता है सर, 240 भी तो डिविजिबल है, 248 भी है. ये है ही सर 3 डिजिट नंबर, ये एक डिजिट है, and that digit can be any value from 0 to 9. So it can be 240. 24 मत देखो, 240 देखो सर. So it can be 240, it can be 248. अच्छा देखो, आप इस लेवल पे सोच रहे हो, एग्जामिनर उस लेवल पे क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है. यू आर करेक्ट, 240 एंड 248. बट एग्जामिनर ने 240 और 248 पूछा ही नहीं. एग्जामिनर ने पूछा हाउ मेनी डिफरेंट वैल्यू ऑफ स्टार इज पॉसिबल. स्टार पे आप क्या क्या पुट कर सकते हैं, 0 और 8. हाउ मेनी डिफरेंट वैल्यू, 2 डिफरेंट वैल्यू. तो आंसर आ जाएगा डी. एंड यू कम अप आउट द एग्जामिनेशन, आप बोले मैंने तो सही मार्क किया था, इधर 0 और 8. ये नहीं पूछ रहा कि स्टार पे क्या आएगा, ये पूछ रहा है स्टार पे कितनी वैल्यू आप यूज कर सकते हो. स्टार के प्लेस पे कितनी वैल्यू आप पुट कर सकते हो. स्टार पे आप आइदर 0 पुट कर सकते हो या 8 पुट कर सकते हो. आप 2 वैल्यू स्टार की जगह पुट कर सकते हो. यू कैन पुट 2 वैल्यू एट द प्लेस ऑफ स्टार, आइदर 0 और 8. कैन यू पुट एनी अदर वैल्यू अदर देन 0 एंड 8? नो. सो हाउ मेनी डिफरेंट वैल्यू एट द प्लेस ऑफ स्टार कैन बी प्लेस? 2. तो आंसर है डी. यू हैव टू रीड क्वेश्चन केयरफुली व्हाट इज आस्क्ड एक्चुअली. हाँ, अगर मैं पूछता व्हाट विल कम एट प्लेस ऑफ स्टार, अगर यही क्वेश्चन होता व्हाट विल कम at place of star, then answer will become either 0 or 8. स्टार की जगह पे या तो आप 0 डाल सकते हैं, then it become 240 so that it is divisible by 8, or it is 248. In both case it is divisible by 8. तो I tell you one thing and it will help you lifelong. कम बच्चे पैदा करने हैं और सबका अच्छे से ध्यान रखना. Don't target 70-80 question. Don't be in hurry. Don't be in hurry. Every class I tell you, don't be in hurry, don't be in hurry, don't be in hurry. आप बोलोगे सर ज्यादा टाइम लगेगा, आपकी हड़बड़ी से टाइम नहीं सेव होने वाला. ठीक है. Your concept has to be good enough. Some students they say sir I'm very slow in calculation speed. My speed is very low. बाबा रणछोड़ दास बोलते हैं बेटा कंसेप्ट पे ध्यान दो, स्पीड अपने आप झक मार के आएगी. If you practice one concept 10 times, you automatically have speed for that. If your concepts are clear, you have enough time in CSAT paper to handle 40, 45, 50 questions. This question you would have scored 2.5 marks, but since you have not read question properly, you have missed 2.5 marks, some of you, and you have got negative marking also. And that is very important. मेरा main मकसद क्या रहेगा? देखो, I will teach you how to handle difficult questions also. But since you are attending this basic class, तो मैं ये मान के चल रहा हूँ you are category 0, category 1, category 2 students. ठीक है? आप बोलोगे सर आई नीड 120 मार्क्स इन सीसेट, आई विल से मेरे में दम नहीं है, सीधी सी बात. एंड इफ यू टेल मी सर आई वांट टू सेव माय ईयर सो दैट इट विल नॉट गेट वेस्टेड बिकॉज ऑफ सीसेट, देन आई एम विद यू. ठीक है, 110%, नॉट ओनली 100%, आई एम विद यू. सो व्हाट वी विल डू फॉर दैट, easy and moderate question we will target, difficult question we will leave. Reason being, in the difficult question, either because of the change in the language you will not able to understand the question, or maybe if you are able to understand the question you will not able to solve that question within 4 minutes. उस क्वेश्चन में 10 मिनट लगा के फायदा भी क्या. But I need one promise from your side that in easy question you will not do carelessness. ठीक है, this type of thing you have to avoid, क्योंकि this is the area where we will score. जो हमारा scoring area था उसमें just you have not read question properly, you are going to miss your 2.5 marks. Don't expect from examiner it will give you very simple statement. It will try to, like here, twist the statement किसी तरीके से. Like this year they have asked question on clock. Question was manageable, but generally what we do in clock, we handle a question on hour hand and minute hand. Second hand we never read, पढ़ते ही नहीं है, क्योंकि the moment you read second hand वो आगे भाग जाएगी, उसको कैच करना बड़ा मुश्किल है second hand को. But the question asked was easy, but only the thing examiner has done hour hand and minute hand in first statement, in second statement examiner has given hour hand and second hand. उन्होंने मिनट हैंड की जगह सेकंड हैंड दे दिया, और सम स्टूडेंट दे हैव डन मिस्टेक बिकॉज दे हैव नॉट read क्वेश्चन प्रॉपर्ली. So here we will read each and every question carefully. We will target less question. So if you are category 1, category 2 students, we will target 40 to 45 questions. Don't target 70, even 60 also don't target. Your target has to be between 40 and 50. 40 से कम नहीं होना चाहिए, 50 से ज़्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए. I tell you example, last year there was a student, when we have given the test, full length test, he has attempted 38 questions. Still his score was around 75 plus because he got 35 correct. Same student in the UPSC examination also done the same thing, attempted around 37 question, 34 correct. हो गया, प्री हो गया बस. Even 37 से भी हुआ because his accuracy was 90%. चलो next, divisibility of 2, divisibility of 4, divisibility of 8. Concept is divisibility of last digit, divisibility of 4 last 2 digit, divisibility of 8 last 3 digit. And what are these? 2 is to power 1, 2 is to power 2, 2 is to power 3, 2 is to power 4 is 16. I don't know whether they will ask divisibility of 16 or not, but this is an observation and you can see they are asking observation directly or indirectly. So here in 16, what we can suggest, last 4 digit, divisibility of 32, last 5 digit. तो एक ऑब्जर्वेशन है. 2 is to power 1 में only the last digit will check, 2 is to power 2 में last 2 digit, 2:3 मीन्स 8 में लास्ट 3 डिजिट, 16 में लास्ट 4 डिजिट, 32 में लास्ट 5 डिजिट. Next come divisibility of 3. How many of you already know rule of divisibility of 3? Like for example, if I have number 462, so divisibility of 3 rule is sum of the digit. No need to check number. 4 plus 6 plus 2, this is 12. If this 12 is divisible by 3, it means this complete number is divisible by 3. Sum of the digit we check. Like we check 45,144. So we will take sum of the digit. So this is 4 plus 5 plus 1 plus 4 plus 4. 4 plus 5, 9, 10, 14, 18. If this 18 is divisible by 3, yes. So it means this complete number is divisible by 3. Sum of the digit we check. Like for example, 961. 9 plus 6, 15 plus 1, 16. No. If in case, if it is not divisible by 3, we need remainder. For remainder, no need to check complete number. Here, our short trick is this total is sufficient to check whether it is divisible. If not, remainder. तो रिमाइंडर के लिए आपने सिर्फ 16 चेक करना है. 16 divided by 3, your remainder is 1. It means this complete number also give remainder 1. Like for example, 32,431. So it is 3 plus 2, 5, 9, 12, 13. So if it is 13 divisible by 3, no. Then what is the remainder? 1. $45,242. Check if it is divisible by 3, yes or no. If no, then what is the remainder? This is 4 plus 5, 9, 11, 15, 17. 17 divided by 3, your remainder is 2. Achha, I tell you one thing. Where even this also you can skip. I tell you one thing, where there is no need to add also. You can save your time. But let me take 2-3 examples so that all of you understand. If it is asked 3, 3, 3, 3, 1. And it is asked whether this number is divisible by 3, yes or no. Either you do 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 1, 13. 13 divided by 3, you get remainder 1. But one thing you can do, whenever you get 3 or multiple of 3, you ignore. No need to carry in your addition. ये 3 को हटाओ. No need to carry. ये 3 को हटा दो. 3, 3, only 1, and even you get the same answer. 1 is remainder. If in your number you have 3 or multiple of 3, no need to carry that in your addition. उसको वैसे ही हटा सकते हो. Like for example, 3, 6, 9, 2. If I ask if it is divisible by 3, no. Then what is the remainder? 2. 3, 6, 9, you can ignore. If you add this, then also you get the same result. And if you skip this, then also you get the same result. Like if I ask you 6, 9, 3, 3, 4. If it is divisible by 3, no. Then what is the remainder? 4 नहीं होगा. बाप बेटे से बड़ा ही रहेगा, बेटा बाप से बड़ा नहीं होगा. 4 को 3 से डिवाइड करके रिमाइंडर 1. 4 is okay, but further you have to check. 4 cannot be remainder, remainder होगा 1 because your divisor is 3. Similarly, like we have 1 2 4 2 1. Wait, we don't have a direct 3 or 6, but indirectly you have 3 or 6. Either directly or indirectly you have 3 or multiple of 3. You can save your time. ये अगर मिलके भी 3 दे रहा है तो ignore. 4 and 2 together give you 6, ignore. Your remainder is 1. So the idea is, in your number, either you have directly 3 or multiple of 3 or indirectly. सीधा मतलब there is no need for like time here to solve this question. आप सीधा बोल सकते हो 3 6 cancel 1, your remainder is 1. Or you can check 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1 3 6 9 10. 10 divided by 3, आंसर तो वही आना ना 1. Like for example, if I ask you 21,243, check if this number is divisible by 3. Yes, this is 3 cancel, this is 6 cancel, this is 3 cancel, your remainder 0. So yes, this number is divisible by 3. 4 1 1 2 1. Yes, this is 4 5 6 cancel, 3 cancel. If you are not comfortable, then you add 4 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1, 6 plus 3 9. Yes, this number is divisible by 3. If you are comfortable in ignoring 3 or multiple of 3, which is given either direct or indirect way, it will save your time. Otherwise you can take the total of the digit. वो तो आप कभी भी कर सकते हैं. Next come divisibility of 9. जयंत क्या कह रहे हो आप? कैन बी रिमूव 10 डिजिट नंबर सच एज 45,242, 34 24 इज मल्टीपल. 34 तो नहीं, 24 आप इग्नोर कर सकते थे. डिविजिबिलिटी ऑफ 9, like if I take number 44,145, rule of divisibility of 9 is sum of the digit has to be divisible by 9. Earlier 3, now 9. This is 4 plus 4 plus 1 plus 4 plus 5. This is 9 plus 9, 18. We know 18 is divisible by 9. So yes, this number is divisible by 9. 44,145 is divisible by 9. Yes. Like if I ask you 36,136 and we have to check whether this is divisible by 9, yes or no. No, because 3 plus 6 plus 1 plus 3 plus 6, 9 9 18 19, and here 19 is not a multiple of 9. No, then if it is not divisible, we need remainder, and our shortcut is for remainder. This itself is more than sufficient. No need to check complete number. 19 divided by 9, what is your remainder? 1. So here this complete number give you remainder 1. Complete number give you remainder 1. Now you check 27,452. If it is divisible by 9, yes or no? If no, then what is the remainder? This is 2 plus 7 plus 4 plus 5 plus 2, 9 9 18 20. 20 divided by 9, 18, remainder is 2. But I know many of you have not done this. आपने वो काम करा है जो 3 में था. Yes, and I will come to that point. Okay, step by step you take total 20. 20 is not divisible by 9. What is your remainder? 2. Now the thing what we have learned for divisibility of 3, no need to carry the total addition. If directly or indirectly you have a 9, you can ignore. अगर मैं आपसे नंबर पूछता हूँ 9993, If you do 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 3, 30, and if you divide it by 9, your remainder is 3. Otherwise, you can say 9 cancel, 9 cancel, 9 cancel. This 3 itself is the remainder. See, if in your number you have 9, directly or indirectly, you can ignore. Similarly here, in this question, 2 plus 7 is 9, you can ignore. 4 plus 5 is 9, you can ignore. You can directly say your remainder is 2. So you can save your time if you want. If there is a 9, directly or indirectly, you can ignore that. No need to carry in your addition. Like for example, if it is asked 63,634, what is your remainder when you divide it by 9? 4, because 6 plus 3, 9, 6 plus 3, 9, ignore, 4, 4 itself is remainder because your divisor is 9 now. You have to check with 9. Take your time. 5,42,256. Whether this number is divisible by 9, yes or no? No, then what is the remainder? Either you can do 5 plus 4 plus 2 plus 2 plus 5 plus 6, 9, 9, 18, 24, 24 divided by 9, 18, remainder is 6. Or you can say 5 plus 4, 9, ignore, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 5, 9, ignore, 6 is your remainder. If you can. ठीक है, भले ही 2 सेकंड बचाए बट बचा लेगा. 5, 4, 1, 1. हाँ ठीक है, क्या दिक्कत है, जितने भी इग्नोर कर पाओ. ये इग्नोर हो गया ना. अब क्या बचा? 8. then 8 itself is the remainder. हाँ तो क्या हो गया? 9, 9, what is your remainder? 0. If remainder is 0, divisible. बेटर है बिल्कुल. इट विल सेव योर टाइम. देखो 54115 5,41,151 दिया. प्रोसेस क्या कहता है? प्रोसेस कहता है यू हैव टू ऐड ऑल दिस डिजिट. 5 plus 4 plus 1 plus 1 plus 5 plus 1, 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 6, 17. 17 divided by 9, your remainder is 8. अब आपका माइंड क्या कह रहा है कि इट इज टाइम कंज्यूमिंग, एंड वी नो वन थिंग, वेर एवर 9 यू कैन इग्नोर. तो ये एक 9 को इग्नोर कर दिया, तो देन यू गेट 8 and you get remainder 8. It take 2 seconds less. भले ही 2 सेकंड बचाएगा बट बचा ले. अदरवाइज दिस इज द प्रोसेस. ये तो प्रोसेस है ही है. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज divisibility of 5 and divisibility of 10, and that is the easiest. For divisibility of 5, what we check? Unit place digit. I will use the same thing when I will discuss permutation combination questions. ठीक है, तब आपके पास ऑप्शन नहीं होगा कि आपको ये कंसेप्ट ना पता हो. एंड विच इज वेरी सिंपल कंसेप्ट. इससे सिंपल कंसेप्ट है नहीं. डिविजिबिलिटी ऑफ 5 में व्हाट इज द रिक्वायरमेंट? दैट एट यूनिट प्लेस इट हैज टू बी आइदर 0 और 5. आइदर 0 और 5. इट इज डिविजिबल बाय 5, अदरवाइज नॉट. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल 915 and 917. So can we say yes, it is divisible by 5? Here, no, this is not divisible by 5. Then if it is not divisible, then what is the remainder? Last digit is more than enough to tell you the remainder. This 7 divided by 5 give you a remainder 2. unit place digit. Like for example, 45,144 not divisible, then what is the remainder? 4 itself. Divisibility of 10 is the easiest. In divisibility of 10, at unit place we need 0. It has to be 0. If at unit place it is 0, it is divisible by 10, otherwise not. Like 920 and 923. So yes, this is divisible. 923, no. If it is not, then what is the remainder? 3. So here the last digit itself tell you the remainder. There are the divisibility concept of 11 or bigger number I will take, because I have to take that for category 3 student also. Next is can anyone tell me what is the full form of HCF? And what is the full form of LCM? What is GCD? Sometimes I have seen students, they know HCF and examiner ask about GCD and they get confused. Kuch student. I tell you, Shaktiman, Gangadhar. Both are same. It is the another name of HCF. Highest की जगह लिखा है greatest, common का common, but as compared to factor it is written divisor. Greatest common divisor and HCF both are same. HCF बोलो या GCD, both are same. But my point here is, here this even HCF, but LCM, I love this concept. It is like Tata. अगर लाइफ में बनना है and you have an option whether Reliance or Tata, I prefer Tata. देखो, there are the people वो सिर्फ अपना ही भला करते हैं. There are the people they take care of other person also. So in that case Tata is better. ठीक है? And those who are from Jharkhand they know very well. Otherwise also आप सबको पता है टाटा की history and the work they are doing. Similarly here in number system, I will say there are the topic which have effect on that topic itself. उसका सिर्फ अपने परिवार के ऊपर influence है. कुछ ऐसे टॉपिक है जो कि सिर्फ उसी टॉपिक के लिए यूज हो. But there are the topic which have impact on other topic also. There are the concept which will help you in 3-4 other topic. So LCM in that case is a wonderful concept. LCM is important for LCM. LCM is important for other topic like time and work topic, surds and indices. नाम नहीं लूँगा सारे topic के. Maybe you get confused. But when I will use this and I tell you LCM is one of the wonderful concept of mathematics we have. Not a big deal, but what problem I have faced in last 10 years, and I tell you, I'm more connected to category 1 and category 2 student actually. ठीक है? तो इसलिए I know very well कि उनके mind में क्या चल रहा है and what they have done during school days. तो what we have done actually school days, we have cram LCM and HCF. हमने रटा था and we have solved the question based on that. And because in school there is same style of questions has been asked during school days and in the exam also. बिल्कुल same question पूछे जाते थे. And that's why we were able to do. Cramming का ये फायदा होता है, अगर same चीज पूछ ली जाए, you will able to attempt it. And this is the common problem I have seen in category 1 and category 2 student when I will share the Google form and I get the analysis and I call the student. उनका सबसे बड़ा यही इशू होता है, सर द थिंग व्हाट यू डिस्कस इन द क्लास ओके, बट व्हेन द मोमेंट देयर इज अ चेंज इन द लैंग्वेज ऑफ द क्वेश्चन वी गेट कंफ्यूज. तो वो इशू क्या है कि इफ यू विल क्रैम द थिंग, सिमिलर क्वेश्चन यू विल एबल टू सॉल्व, मतलब एग्जैक्टली सेम, बट इफ आई ट्विस्ट द लैंग्वेज ऑफ द क्वेश्चन इन माय टेस्ट सीरीज you will get stuck, and the examiner is doing the same. Examiner is using the concept directly or indirectly. If that concept is used directly, maybe you are able to in the position to handle the question, but if it is indirectly, आपने हाथ खड़े कर देना है because आपने क्रैम किया, आपने समझा नहीं है. And like I tell you, the problem with us is, सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम बताता हूँ, हम लोग फैक्ट को समझते हैं, कंसेप्ट को रटते हैं. जीएस में भी हम यही करते हैं. यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड द कंसेप्ट एंड यू हैव टू क्रैम द फैक्ट. फैक्ट हमें रटना है, कंसेप्ट हमें समझना है. दिस प्राइम नंबर इज ऑल्सो ए कंसेप्ट. ठीक है, एचसीएम एंड एलसीएम इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. हियर आई कैन टेल यू व्हाट इज एचसीएम एंड एलसीएम, बट without this prime number you will not in better position for HCM or LCM. Even not only prime number, there is a concept of co-prime number also. There is a concept of multiple. There is a concept of factors. And if you have a clarity about each and everything here, then only you will be in better position to use HCM or LCM. I'm not saying to remember what is HCM or LCM. You have to use HCM or LCM. And in examination hall, and in different variety of questions, and with the clarity, so that there will not be a confusion whether to use HCM or LCM. Confusion का कोई काम नहीं है. You have to have a clear idea कि हाँ ये LCM का question है, ये HCM का question है. Yes, LCM will help you in this way. We will have a better clarity here. तो उसके लिए I start with this prime number concept. Many of you already know what is the definition of prime number. Natural number. What is prime number? पहली कंडीशन तो वो नेचुरल नंबर होना चाहिए. देखो, we categorize natural number in 3 category. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड. हमने नेचुरल नंबर को 3 भागों में डिवाइड किया है. 1 प्राइम नंबर, कंपोजिट नंबर. 1 prime number, composite number. There is no overlapping. One is different from prime number different from composite number. Can anyone tell me what is the reason for this categorization? Number of divisors or number of factors? What is the reason behind this categorization is number of factors. I think all of you know factors or divisor, like 10. What are the divisor or divisor factor is same. What are the divisor of 10? 1, 2, 5, 10. What can divide 10? Like 20. What are the factors of 20? 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. So here, whoever given this concept of prime number, I will say he or she has done wonderful job. Wonderful job. What they have done, they have checked all the natural number and they found there are the natural number having only one factor, which is 1. And there are the prime numbers, or they are the number. उन्होंने prime number क्या किया? Like what we have done, what you know, that is a definition. See what we have for each and everything. First we have a concept. Definition is nothing. Definition is to explain that concept in a statement based. किसी भी कंसेप्ट को स्टेटमेंट में डिक्टेट करना या स्टेटमेंट में पढ़ना इज ए डेफिनेशन। डेफिनेशन क्या होती है? स्टेटमेंट ऑफ ए कंसेप्ट। किसी भी कंसेप्ट को अगर स्टेटमेंट का रूप दे दोगे वो डेफिनेशन बनती है। जो आप बोल रहे हो वो डेफिनेशन है। कंसेप्ट क्या है? कंसेप्ट इज whoever given a concept of prime number, he check natural number and he found there are certain natural number where is a similarity. उसको एक similarity दिखी that some of the natural number have exactly two divisors, exactly two factors. And what he found that these two factors are nothing, these two factors are 1 and itself, means that number itself. Like 2 is having divisor 1 and 2. 3 is having only two factors 1 and 3. 5 is having only two factor 1 and 5. 7 is having only two factor 1 and 7, and so on. Then what he told, he put all these number in a separate category and he told these are now called will be prime number. इनको उन्होंने prime number का नाम दे दिया. So what is the concept of prime number? Natural number, those are having exactly two factors. And then we realize these two factors are nothing, these two factors are 1 and the number itself. Then we come up with the definition that natural number which are divisible by 1 and itself only are called prime number. और the natural number which have exactly two factors are called prime number. वो natural number जिसके दो ही factor हैं और वो दो factor क्या होंगे? 1 and the number itself. उसके अलावा कोई और हो ही नहीं सकता. So that's why these are called prime number. Whereas we have some of the number like 4, where we found factor of 4 is 1, 2, 4. 10, we have factor of 10 is 1, 2, 5, 10. So here we have 3 or more than 3 factors. There is no restriction. There can be 100 factors. But it will be 3 or more than 3 factors. Then that person start calling this number as a composite number. इनको हमने बोल दिया composite number. क्योंकि इनके factor 3 या 3 से ज़्यादा थे. So how we categorize 1? 1 have only one factor. 1 का सिर्फ एक ही factor है, that is 1 itself. Prime number have two factors, composite number have more than two factors. It is based on factor, one factor, two factor, more than two factors. इस categorization का purpose मतलब categorization का base क्या था? Factors, 1, 2, more than two factors. I give you some factual information about prime number. 1 is neither prime. Some student they ask me, sir, can we consider 1 is the smallest prime number? I tell you 1 is neither prime nor composite. 1 is unique. One is unique. Because 1 is the only natural number in this universe which have exactly one factor. 1 के अलावा there is no other natural number. Prime numbers we have infinite, composite numbers we have infinite, but 1 तो 1 ही है. Here you have infinite prime number, you have infinite composite numbers. Here you have only one. 1 is unique. इस कैटेगरी में 1 के अलावा कोई और है ही नहीं. प्राइम नंबर में वी हैव इनफाइनाइट एग्जांपल्स, कंपोजिट में वी हैव इनफाइनाइट एग्जांपल्स, बट 1 इज यूनिक. व्हाई 1 इज यूनिक? बिकॉज 1 इज द ओनली नेचुरल नंबर विच हैव एग्जैक्टली वन फैक्ट. कैन यू टेल मी एनी अदर नेचुरल नंबर विच हैव एग्जैक्टली वन फैक्टर? द मोमेंट यू टेक 2 और बिगर नंबर, 1 is factor of all. 1 तो सबका factor है ही है. Then the number itself is also a factor. तो उसके बाद 2 या 2 से ज्यादा factor ही मिलेंगे. 1 is unique. Next आता है 2 is the smallest prime number. Some student they ask me, sir, can we consider -2 is a prime number? See, you check your conceptual clarity. Here prime number के लिए the first condition it has to be a natural number. Negative integer cannot be prime. So 2 is the smallest prime number. 2 is the smallest prime number. Negative integer can never be prime number क्योंकि वो कैटेगरी है ही नहीं. Yes, ma'am. 2 is the only even prime number. Can anyone explain me this? 2 is the only even prime number. Why? Because 2 even number is divisible by 1 and 2. After 2, all the even number are divisible by 2 as well. 2 के बाद कोई भी even number ले लो, कोई भी, like for example 4. 4 is divisible by 1, 4 is divisible by 4, and here all the even number is divisible by 2 as well. So it will have more than 2 factors. The moment it will have more than 2 factor, it will become composite number. तो even में तो सिर्फ एक मात्र नंबर प्राइम नंबर है, दैट इज 2 के अलावा और कोई इवन नंबर प्राइम नंबर है ही नहीं, हो ही नहीं सकता, नॉट पॉसिबल. एंड हियर दिस थिंग यूज डायरेक्टली और इनडायरेक्टली, इस चीज को एग्जामिनर यूज करता है. Next is I give you one factual information. 1 to 50 we have 15 prime number. 1 to 100 we have 25 prime number. एक से लेके 100 के बीच में 25 प्राइम नंबर. And in CSAT, these prime numbers are used directly or indirectly. We have a topic number series. There also they use prime number to make a series question. So my suggestion is, or it is your homework, I give the list of this 25 prime number. You have to cram this. आपको ये रटने हैं. And which is not a difficult task. Which is not a difficult task. And I tell you in UPSC preparation, just see where you stand. There are two things: concept, fact. Both. Some students, they say I'm very good in conceptual clarity, but cramming or ratification is not my cup of tea. Then I suggest leave UPSC. Some they say like I'm very good in ratification, but concept नहीं समझ में आता. Then also UPSC is not for you. Here you have to good in both. Conceptual clarity is yes first priority, but here ratification is also required. See here, if you have to write your mains answer and you don't know the article of your Constitution of India, आप बोलो मैं तो रट्टा नहीं लगा रहा, मैं तो समझ रहा हूँ. How you can do analysis? It will be baseless analysis. अगर आपको सारे आर्टिकल ही नहीं पता है, वो पंचायती राज, where you will quote that where is the reservation of the women, reservation for women in पंचायत or in municipalities. ठीक है, so you have to remember the fact, you have to remember. And I know you have very good memory to do ratification. Only the thing you have to explore. All of you can do. आप 10 बुक रट सकते हो, इतनी पावर है आपके अंदर, अगर रटना चाहो. So here, but it is not like that कि एक ही बार में रटता है. You have to write, you have to loudly, you have to speak about, like you have to read, you have to just make a image in your mind. तो काफी सारी टेक्निक यूज करनी पड़ेगी. You have to do that. So I give the list of prime numbers, this 25 prime number which are from 0 to 100 or 1 to 100, sorry, 1 to 100. But before that, I ask you a question. Can you tell me 7 consecutive natural number which are from 1 to 100? 1 to 100, you have to tell me 7 consecutive natural number which are composite number. साथ के साथ लगातार composite number. सर 7 consecutive का मतलब होता है लगातार. ये होता 4, 5, 6, 7. You have to tell me 7 consecutive natural number which are lesser than 100 and but composite number. मैं यही कह रहा हूँ नहीं consecutive 4, 6 is not consecutive. Consecutive क्या होता है 4, 5, 6. 92, 96, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96. These are the 7 consecutive natural number which are composite number here, which lie from 0 to 100. 0 से 100 के बीच में यही 7 consecutive natural number है which are composite. There is no prime number here. इनमें से कोई भी prime number नहीं है. 90 is a composite number. 91 is a composite because it is divisible by 7. It is divisible by 13. 92 is a composite. 93 is a composite. 94, 95, 96 is a composite number. So 90 to 96 we have this 7 consecutive natural number which are composite. Now here I give you the list of prime number here. For that there is a mnemonic. Mnemonic here is 44, 22, 322, 321. Double 4, 22, 322, 321. It is like 10-digit number, like a mobile number. And you are very good in remembering mobile number. College days you have remembered so many, but purpose may be different. सर आप 20 नंबर याद कर सकते हो, प्रोवाइडेड 20 मोटिवेशन होने चाहिए. मैं तो एक ही याद करने के लिए बोल रहा हूँ. 44, 22, 322, 321. आई टेल यू हाउ इट वर्क. ये काम कैसे करेगा. So you write, then you draw this line. Here it is 0 to 10. There are 4 prime number. 10 to 20, there are 4 prime number. 20 to 30, 2. 30 to 40, 2. 40 to 50, 3. 50 to 60, 2. 60 to 70, 2. 70 to 80, 3. 80 to 90, 2. 90 to 100, 1. So I write 2, 3, 5, 7. 11, 13, 17, 19. I think all of you know this. ये सबको पता है. Next is 23, 29. 31, 37. 41, 43, 47. 53, 59. 61, 67, 71, 73, 79. 77 is divisible by 7, तो 77 नहीं है यहाँ. फिर आता है 83, 89, then come 97, because 91 is divisible by 7, 11. Some student by mistake they consider 91 is a prime number. Sometime I also do, but remember 91 का थोड़ा ध्यान रखना स्पेशल. गलती में गलती कर जाते हैं. 91 is not a prime number because 91 is divisible by 7, divisible by 30. बाकी तो दिख जाता है. 77 दिख रहा है कि 7 से डिवाइड हो रहा है. 91 में sometime we skip that part, but you have to remember it कि 91 is divisible by 7 and 13. That's why 91 is not prime number. And even factually you can say between 90 and 100 there is only one prime number, which is 97. Cancel this 91. 91 is not a prime number. मैंने cancel किया. So here what you can do, you can take A4 size space, you write all this value at your home, एक बार और लिख लेना, and then you can paste this table near to your study table. Within 2 days you will able to remember it, and you have to remember it, because if there will be one question directly or indirectly, 2.5 marks is a big deal for me. अगर यहाँ से 2.5 marks आ रहे हो, उससे better कुछ नहीं. हाँ जी. ऐसे दिया होगा x. Following question is a number series question. Okay, having some relationship. Find what will come in place of x. They give answer option A, B, C, D. It is a number series topic where generally student they take the difference. ज़्यादातर हम difference लेके करने की कोशिश करते हैं. But here difference में will not give idea. Sometimes there is a 6, 2, 6, 4, then 2, then 6, then you get confused. ठीक है. But if you check, all these are prime number in a sequence. And once they have already asked, एक बार ये पूछा भी है इस तरह से, prime number in a number series question. It means they are expecting what will be next prime number after 79, and what is the next prime number after 79? 83. Answer option में मिलेगा आपको 81, 83, 85, 87. Some student they may think there has to be a difference of 2. They put a difference of 2. They mark 81, but 81 will be wrong. 83 will be correct answer because it is a prime number series. Okay. Indirectly number system miscellaneous question where they put statement based question. As he raised this point, I tell you a question, but I don't think how many of you will able to handle the question. Question is, we have a 2-digit number xy. ठीक है. And when we reverse the order of the digit, means it become yx, and we subtract it from original number, difference is coming 18. 18, 18. Difference is coming 18. I repeat, we take a 2-digit number, and when we reverse the order of these 2 digits, subtract from the original number, our difference is coming 18, and then it is given this number and this number both are prime number. xy is also prime, yx is also prime. How many pair of such number are possible? How many pairs of such number are possible? Answer option A 1, 2, 3, ठीक है सर, क्वेश्चन आ गया आपके सामने। आंसर दे देता हूं बिकॉज अदरवाइज इट विल बी वेस्ट ऑफ 5 मिनट्स अननेसेसरली। लेटर ऑन व्हेन वी विल कवर दिस टॉपिक आई टेल यू, इट इज बेस्ड ऑन टू कंसेप्ट, इट इज नॉट ए सिंगल कंसेप्ट। सीधा प्राइम नंबर का कंसेप्ट नहीं है, इट इज ए कंसेप्ट ऑफ प्राइम नंबर प्लस 2 डिजिट ऑब्जर्वेशन विच आई विल टेक लेटर। 2 डिजिट का ऑब्जर्वेशन लूंगा। तो इसमें नंबर आता है 31 एंड 13, 79 and 97. Yes, 97 and 79. There are 2 pair we have. 31 को रिवर्स करोगे 31 को रिवर्स करोगे 13 आएगा, डिफरेंस 18 आएगा। 97 and 79, here also difference 18. These are also prime number, these are also prime number, so there are 2 pair we have. We will have this type of questions, don't worry. हाँ जी, thank you sir. 71 and 17, but the difference is 18 or more than 18. वो भी तो कंडीशन थी ना, there is a one more condition of 18. But otherwise, if there is a question, अगर ऐसा question आएगा, we take a 2 digit number and we reverse and we get a prime number, then he might be correct. So there can be a question with one condition or 2 condition. If there is only one condition, that we take a 2 digit number xy and we reverse the order of the digit, we get yx, xy is also prime number, yx is also prime number. How many pair of such number are possible? Then your answer is valid, 71 and 17. But in my question there is one more condition given, difference 8. एक अच्छा क्वेश्चन आपने मुझे दे दिया, टेस्ट सीरीज में पूछ लूंगा। मैं सीधा सीधा पूछूंगा 2 digit number, when we reverse the order still we get a prime number. How many pair of 2 digit numbers are possible where we take a prime number and we reverse still we get a prime number? ऐसा भी तो क्वेश्चन हो सकता है। Next is, I just tell you the basic related to LCM and HCF. Detail we will taken in detail. I will take 2 lecture on this LCM and HCF. LCM, least common multiple. If someone asks me what is the definition of LCM, I tell you this 3 word clearly explain you what is the definition of LCM, least common multiple. Like I take number 6 and 9. Take multiple of 6. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36 and so. 42, 48, 54, 60 and so. Take multiple of 9. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63 and so on. These are multiple and multiples are infinite. ऐसा नहीं कि स्कूल टाइम है कि 60 तक रुकना है, मल्टीपल तो उसके बाद भी है, मल्टीपल्स आर इनफाइनाइट. देन कॉमन मल्टीपल, you have common multiple 18, 36, 54, 72, 90 and so. So out of this multiple we will take common multiple, but the word here is least common multiple. Out of this common multiple, which one is least? 18. So this 18 is your LCM of 6 and 9. This is the concept here. क्या कहते हैं कि multiple लो, common multiple लो, and out of this common multiple the least one is LCM. You can check LCM of 6 and 9 is 18. So understand this 3 word, multiples, out of multiple common multiples. Common multiple में जो सबसे छोटा होता है that is known as least common multiple. It means least common multiple वो होगा जो 6 का भी multiple होगा, 9 का भी होगा, छोटा नंबर उनमें से. Like I take 9 and 12 for example. So what are the multiple of 9? 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90 What are the multiple of 12? 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96 and so on. What are the common multiple here? We have 36, 72. Here, which one is the least common multiple? 36. So LCM of 9 and 12 is 36. Similarly, if you ask me what is the definition of HCF, highest common factor, if you take number 6 and 9, you have to take factor of 6. What are the factor of 6? 1, 2, 3, 6. What are the factor of 9? We have 1, 3, 9. What are the common factor we have? 1 as well as 3. 1 is also there. Don't ignore 1. 1 is also common. 1 is common in all the number. That is a different case, but 1 is common. Out of this 1 and 3, which one is highest common factor? Definition clear है. आपने factor लेने हैं, common factor लेने हैं. Common factor में जो सबसे बड़ा है, that is HCF. So here 3 is highest common factor here of 6 and 9. Like for example, if we take number 12 and 18, what are the factor of 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. What are the factor of 18? 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. What are the common factor? We have 1, 2, 3, 6. Out of 1, 2, 3, 6, which one is the highest? 6. So 6 here is highest common factor. What I need from your side, that you have to be comfortable to find LCM of 2 or 3 number and the HCF of 2 or 3 number. Because maybe when I take main classes, I just take 1 or 2 example, I will not take in detail. So today we will see how we can find LCM of 2 or 3 number. Like for example, numbers are given 15, 20, 30. How many of you remember this diagram? Flashback 6th-7th standard में. So first rule is, we will take common factor if it is common from all the number. If it is common from all the number by chance. Yes, we have 5 here. So 5 ऐसा जो सब में common है. So we get 3, we get 4, we get 6. After that, we don't have common factor from all these 3 number, but second rule suggests if it is not common from all the number, if it is common from 2 number, then also you have to take common. Like you take 2 common here. But if you take 2 common, don't write 1.5, you have to write 3 as it is. Natural number ही लिखेंगे हम 3. It become 2, it become 3. Then you take 3 common, 1, 2 as it is, 1. Do you remember school days? टीचर ने फिर 2 कॉमन लिया था. जब तक सारे नंबर 1 1 ना बन गए थे, टीचर को तसल्ली नहीं हुई थी. Because we teach with this process so that category 1 student they will not do mistake. यहाँ पे भी रुक जाते थे हम, but after understanding the concept. नहीं तो स्कूल टाइम में हमेशा टीचर क्या समझाता है? First you take common from all the number. Then if it is common from 2 number, then also you have to take common. Then if it is 1 number, take common. Try to make all these number 1 1 1. जैसे ही सारे नंबर यहाँ पे 1 1 1 1 जाएंगे, multiply all these factors here, that give your LCM. 5 into 2 10, 30, 30 into 2 60. So what is LCM of 15, 20, 30, 60? Like for example 20, 30, 40. Either you can go step by step or you can see all these are multiple of 10. Since all these are multiple of 10, you can take 10 common, 2, 3, 4. Then we have 2 common. So take 2 common, 1, 3, 2. Again you take 2 common, 1, 3, 1. take 3 common, 1 1 1. So this is 10 into 20, 20 into 40, 40 into 3, 120. So what is LCM of 20, 30, 40 is 120. You try one question. 12, 16, 20. What is the LCM of 12, 16, 20? So either start with 2, 6, 8, 10, then again 2, 3, 4, 5, 3 common, 1, 4, 5, 4 common, 1, 1, 5, 5 common. So this is 4, 12, 48, 40 into 5, 240. One best example for LCM is 12, 15, 20. Now here in this example we don't have common factor from all these three numbers other than 1. But if you check 12 and 15, 3 common, 15 and 25 common, 12 and 24 common. तो इसमें रूल स्टेप 1 नहीं आएगा, स्टेप 2 से हो जाएगा, because we don't have common from all the number. So if it is common from 2 to number, that also you have to take. जैसे पहले 3 से भी start कर सकते हो, it become 4, it become 5, it become 20. Then you take 5 common, 4, 1, 4. Then you take 4 common, 1, 1, 1. So it is 15 into 4, 60. So what is the LCM of 12, 15 and 20? 60. It is not common from all the number, but 2 number give a common factor, you have to take common. So this is your homework. Category 0 student, you have to practice more than 20 questions for this LCM. Question you will check, you will get in NCERT on Google, LCM of 2 number, LCM of 3 number. So you have to find, so that you will be comfortable to find LCM of 2 or 3 numbers. Category 1 student, you can practice around 15 questions. So all of you practice 15 plus question. आपने लास्ट क्लास की थी? नहीं की थी? आपने मैथमेटिक्स किस लेवल तक पढ़ा है स्कूल में? 12 तक. CSAT पेपर दिया कभी UPSC का? कहाँ का दिया? कितने मार्क्स थे उसमें? अगर सच बोल रहे तो कैटेगरी 2. ठीक है. कल तक मैथ पढ़ा है? स्कूल में? चलो नेक्स्ट क्लास में आपसे एक क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा मैं, या अभी मौका मिला तो मैं क्वेश्चन पूछता हूँ फिर. क्वेश्चन सोच रहा हूँ मैं आपके लिए. Tell me factors of 48. all of you. Anji sir, 48 has how many factors? कैटेगरी 1 लिख लो अपने आप को. हाँ, बाकी लोग पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हो. ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट्स, 48 has how many factors? Ten, 8, in starting I thought like these many students are attending basic class. Now it is okay, you need basic class. 8, 3 नहीं दिख रहा मुझे, 8 नहीं दिख रहा कहीं पे. फोर्टी एट के फैक्टर है 1, 48, 2, 24, 3, 16, 4, 12, 6 and 8. These are the factors of 48. I will tell you, don't worry, how to find number of factors. I will tell you. अभी LCM हो गया ना, ठीक है. HCF, HCF means how to find HCF of 2 or 3 number. I take HCF is easier as compared to LCM, because LCM you have to go up to the last step. HCF is only one step. HCF suggests you it has to be common from all the number. If it is not, then 1, because 1 is common from all the number. HCF is it has to be common factor from all the given number. Like for example 10, 15, 20. So we have 5 common, then we get 2, 3, 4. Then in 2 and 3 you don't have common factor other than 1, you stop. So what is HCF of 10, 15, 20 is 5. LCM is up to the last step you have to go. In HCF if you use this is called factorization method. इसको हम factorization method बोलते हैं actually. If you use factorization method to find LCM and HCF, in LCM we have to go up to the last step. In HCF it is single step, that it has to be common from all the number. Here it is 5. So what is HCF of 10, 15, 20 is 5. Now if I ask you 12, 16, 20, what is HCF of 12, 16, 20? 4. Because it is 4 is common from all the number. After that we don't have any other common factor. So HCF of 12, 16, 20 is 4. Like if I give you 8, 10, 12, 16. It is asked what is HCF of 8, 10, 12, 16. Start with 2. If you take 2 common, you get 4, 5, 6, 8. 4 and 5 we don't have any other common. It has to be common. आप बोलोगे 4 and 6 में 2 common है, but it has to be common from all the number. So it is single step. Like the best example here also it is 12, 15, 20. 12 and 15 3 common, 15 and 25 common, 12 and 24 common, but from all these 3 number you don't have any common factor other than 1. कुछ नहीं है तो 1 तो है ये ना, तो 1 is HCF. If you don't get any other factor, then 1 itself is the HCF, क्योंकि 1 सब में common है. So what is HCF of 12, 15, 20 is 1. $75, 90, 150. Try this question. Find what is the HCF of given number where number are 75, 90, 150. Try with 5, 15, 18, 30. Then 3 also. 5, 6, 10. 5 and 6 we don't have common factor. So 5 into 3, 50. So HCF of 75, 90, 150 is 50. हाँ कर सकते हो. Yes sir. बिल्कुल कर सकते हो डायरेक्ट. And I prefer direct. If you will not do mistake. वो बेटर है क्योंकि टाइम सेव होता है. Directly 15 you have to take if you can. Here also this thing you have to practice to find HCF of 2, 3 given number. Around 15 question you practice, because when I will take HCF and LCM, I will discuss only 1 or 2 examples. I will not give more time because we have to learn higher concept. So you have practice कर लेना. If any doubt you can discuss with me. Next is rule of counting principle. Rule of counting principle. First rule is sum of first n natural number. Sum of first n natural number meaning hereby 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n. What is the formula if anyone tell me? N into n plus 1 divided by 2. You should know this. There will not be a direct question, but still you should know this. Direct नहीं पूछ रहा आप. Indirectly this formula will be used in a question, and I will discuss variety of question where this formula will be used. Handshake question. किसी ने सुना होगा गलती से. In a party there are 20 members. How many handshakes are possible if everyone handshake with the other member in that party? तो ये एक है concept. Book वाला question nowadays favorite question of examiner is like in a book there are 50 pages. So if we add all the pages, what will the total? But अब उससे ऊपर चला गया. Not giving this 50 pages, will ask like in a book there are X number of pages. One page is counted twice by mistake, and the total is coming 1053. So it means miscellaneous category. But level wise level we will reach up to that level, and we will handle that question also. Book वाला question of favorite question examiner. एक question पूछता ही पूछता है book and pages के ऊपर. We will handle that. But here I ask you this: 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 50. Sum of 50 natural number. Anji Gaurav Chauhan, HCF means highest common factor. It has to be common from all the number. That is the idea. Tell me, what is the sum of first 50 natural number? This is 50 into 51 divided by 2. This is 25 into 51, 1 to 7. what is 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 30? $460. So this is 30 into 31 divided by 2. So 15 into 31, 465. ठीक है? My next question. 31 plus 32 plus 33 up to 80. What is the sum of this sequence? सर आप कैटेगरी 1 लिखो अपने आप को ना. 3240 1 आंसर. जिसको अपनी कैटेगरी कंफर्म करनी है, दिस इज योर लिटमस पेपर टेस्ट. 1275. सेकेंड आंसर ऑप्शन 1275. वन टू सेवन फाइव 3240. हाँ जी सर, थर्ड रो आप कैटेगरी जानना चाह रहे थे, क्या आंसर आ रहा है आपका? वन टू सेवन फाइव. लास्ट रो 1225. ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट्स, those who are getting answer as 2775, they can think like they can rate themselves in category 2. बाकी सब अभी अपने आप को कैटेगरी 1 रखें. if there will be a scope for promotion in future I can tell you, but अभी तक आप अपने आप को कैटेगरी 1 कंसीडर कर लो. अच्छा, just like we have an idea, those who are getting answer as 1275, what you have done, 1 2 3 up to 50, so you have used 50 into 51 divided by 2. Here answer is 1275 and here also you are giving answer 1275. और इसमें तो काफी डिफरेंस है. एवरी नंबर इज 30 एक्स्ट्रा. यहाँ पे पहली टर्म 1 है तो यहाँ 31 है. इफ इट इज 2 इट इज 32. हाउ कम दिस टोटल विल बी 1275? तो ये तो गलत है. Those who have given answer as 3240, you have taken this as 80. Then you have done 80 into 81 divided by 2. So you have given answer 3240. But if you read this rule carefully, it is given sum of first n natural number. Sum of first n natural number. Here my series should start from 1. You can apply this formula if your series start from 1, then only 1 2 3 4 up to 80. आप मुझे जो आंसर दे रहे हो ना, आप आंसर दे रहे हो मुझे 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 80. 80 into 81 divided by 2, I get 3240. but I have not asked 1 to 80. I have asked a question 31 to 80. So it is not a direct question. What we have to do, if you want to use this formula, we have to do some adjustment in this question. I tell you how to handle this question. करेक्ट आंसर 2775 है सर. इसके अलावा आप जो भी आंसर देंगे आई विल नॉट कंसीडर. 31, 32, 33 up to 80. There are different ways also to handle this question, but since we are doing rule on counting principle, तो rule of counting principle में क्या है, sum of first n natural number, where our formula is n into n plus 1 divided by 2, but the condition is series start from 1. So what you can do, step number 1, something is missing. What is missing? 1 to 30. Here we will add 1, 2, 3 up to 30. But the rule is, if you add something here, there will be imbalance. And what you can do, same thing you can subtract. जो आप add कर रहे हो वो subtract कर दो बाद में. तो इसमें क्या करेंगे, -1, 2, 3, 30. Your series was incomplete because it was a question from 31 to 80, but we need 1 to 80. So we can complete the series by adding 1 to 30. But since you are adding something, same thing you have to subtract to maintain the balance. In a equation, you can add and subtract same thing. You can multiply and divide by same value. आप same value से add और minus कर सकते हो. तो आपने 1 से लेके 30 add भी किया और 1 से 30 minus भी किया. तो what will happen? Now it become a 2 series. One series is 1 to 80, second is 1 to 30. इसमें हो गया 1 to 3 up to 80, 1 to 30. So we have to use this formula twice. Which formula is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Here this is 80 into 81 divided by 2 minus 30 into 31 divided by 2. Here, if you check, this is 3240 minus 465. 2775 is correct answer. I repeat, 31 to 80 is asked. Complete this series by adding 1 to 30. Same thing you subtract. Now it become 80, it become 30, 80 into 81 divided by 2, 30 into 31 divided by 2. So you get answer. I ask you one more question. (21) plus 22 plus 23 up to 60. What is the sum of this sequence? One six. So here 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 20 we add. Same thing we subtract. 1, 2 up to 20. So it become 1 to 60. So it is 60 into 61 divided by 2 minus 20 into 21 divided by 2. So here we get 1830 minus 210, 1620. Okay. See, generally I take 2 lecture on the basic बट लास्ट क्लास मैनी स्टूडेंट रिक्वेस्टेड सैटरडे, दिस इज 31 दिसंबर, ठीक है, उनका सुबह से ही बैठने का प्लान है. So I will not take next class on basic on Saturday. Tomorrow I'm not taking class. So you have a break Saturday, Sunday. Okay. So we start our classes from Monday, 2nd January, which I will take for all, even category 1, category 2, category 3, जो नहीं आया इस class में. What I will do, first 2 classes I take on number system. So Monday and Wednesday I take number system. What I have taught you today, some of that part I will take, from that I will start in Monday class or Wednesday class. Friday I will take class on percentage. So what I will do, between Wednesday and Friday we have Thursday, which will be 5th of January. So we can do next basic class on Thursday, okay, 11 AM, and it will be better. Because if tomorrow I will tell you the basic of percentage, बीच में दारू के साथ बह जाना है परसेंटेज, तो फ्राइडे से पहले ही कर लेंगे. द बेसिक ऑफ परसेंटेज, बेसिक ऑफ रेशियो एंड प्रोपोर्शन, एवरेज वी विल डू ऑन थर्सडे, so that Friday class you can fully utilize, मतलब you can understand each and everything about percentage. So now here we have next class on 2nd January, Monday. Some of you, like, if there is a urgency for the online portal, you will get right now, but you have to wait because they have to log in, they will get OTP from your side and they will register. Otherwise you can come in between 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, in between घूमते फिरते आ सकते हो, तो directly they will give you the access. You have to wait for that. अगर कुछ और स्टूडेंट होंगे लाइन में तो वो वेट करना पड़ेगा. Otherwise you will get a call from the institute. Most probably they will call you from this number. It will not be a spam. सेव कर लेना नंबर ये 8826619699. For those who have taken hybrid मतलब ऑफलाइन प्लस ऑनलाइन, 8826619699. एक नंबर हो रहा है, क्या पता उससे भी कॉल करें. आई गिव यू दैट नंबर ऑल्सो. लैंडलाइन नंबर है 01146019699. ये तो लास्ट में 699 मैच हो जाएगा. There is one more mobile number. Double 8266196999, 01146019699. एट वन थ्री जीरो थ्री 32948. If you get call from any other number, don't pick. Don't share OTP. मेरा नंबर कभी ये कभी ये कभी ये. मेरे फोन में डेली शाम को 50 to 60 मिस कॉल होती है. कोशिश करता हूँ कॉल करूँ, फिर कहते यार 2-3 ही हो पाएंगी, रख ही देता हूँ फिर उठा के. इतना बैकलॉग हो रखा है मिस कॉल का. Now it's visible. And for hybrid, your course will be with the name CSAT material. Not only material, there will be classes also, but नाम होगा उसका CSAT material के नाम से. Okay. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can stay here for your doubt. We have next class on. I wish you very happy New Year in advance. 2 जनवरी को मिलेंगे. हैंगओवर मत लेके आना. फर्स्ट की छुट्टी है, जो करना है फर्स्ट को कर लेना. पॉलिटी लक्ष्मीकांत, एनसीईआरटी, जीसीलियोंग, शंकर आईएएस, रमेश सिंह, एंशिएंट हिस्ट्री तमिलनाडु, and this is okay. Modern spectrum, science and tech. Here this is not from where you have done your coaching of GS.
Sir,
Vajiram na. So then Vajiram yellow book you have.
yes, sir.
So you can use that
Okay.
for the remaining topic. This is okay. This is okay.
Class notes also I am using for that, sir.
That is fine. This is okay. Science and tech is
Class notes.
current class notes and current affair. You can take one book, McGraw Hill of Science and Tech. That will. Otherwise, it's okay. Your sources are okay.
Lack of revision, I think so, sir. Sir, I do.
You have given attempt. You have already
Three
given
attempts, sir.
3 attempts. You have given
2 attempts I am not giving with proper manner. The third attempt I given proper manner.
in 2022
Yes, sir. 84 marks I scored, sir.
in GS.
CSAT I am not scoring well.
So what you do, anything you divide in days, like polity, try to cover in 20 days, day-wise days, and you do topic-wise MCQs also.
Okay.
And you give a full length test on polity, and you try to score 120 marks out of 200, and you do analysis on that. That is required. Okay. So make a structure. हाँ, उसमें स्टार्टिंग वाले क्वेश्चन कर सकते हो. स्टार्टिंग क्वेश्चंस, हाँ, जो भी फाइंड एलसीएम ऑफ दिस नंबर, बुकलेट में कुछ दिए हुए हैं, यू कैन प्रैक्टिस दोस.
Sir, can I give importance to topic wise or topic wise मतलब the center state relation like that way?
No, try to cover complete syllabus. Wherever it is a important topic, you have to make multiple revision, but you have to read the entire syllabus. You have to read entire syllabus. After that important topic, you have to make multiple revision.
Thank you.
You do all these chapters. This is your 8th NCERT, नहीं 8th. ठीक है, and similar type of topic from 6 and 7.
तो ये वाला कॉन्सेप्ट कि 4 से अगर डिविजिबल करना है तो लास्ट में अगर हमें 2 लास्ट के चेक करने होंगे 1 और 10 से, और अगर वो 4 से डिविजिबल होगा तो
होगा, नहीं होगा तो रिमाइंडर आएगा.
सर ये रिमाइंडर में जो आपने 3 बोला था वो कोई स्पेसिफिक कॉन्सेप्ट है कि बस आपको?
मैंने ये बोला था, अगर डिवाइजर 4 है, आपका रिमाइंडर 0 से 3 होगा, 4 या 4 से बड़ा नहीं होगा. रिमाइंडर कभी भी डिवाइजर के बराबर या उससे बड़ा नहीं होता. तो ये 60 हो गया. 3 किसी ने 7 बोला था ना,
हाँ,
तो इसलिए मैंने बोला था रिमाइंडर 7 हो ही नहीं सकता क्योंकि आपका डिवाइजर ही 4 है.
मुझे लगा इसका कोई स्पेसिफिक
नहीं.
Sir, we might have 24. We might have 24.
2024
So, what should be our preparation time for days or कितना घंटा लगता है?
for CSAT, daily 3 hours.
So, what are your classes till 8:30?
Till 8:30 you have classes. So what you do, we have classes on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, Tuesday, Thursday and Sunday you revise.
What's our GS?
Tuesday, Thursday.
From 11 to 8:30 I have GS from Vajiram.
You have 3 classes of GS.
Yes. Like they
So then what you do classes. After getting your classes over, you meet me. Then I tell you a schedule for your revision.
आपने यहाँ पे fractions की बात करी है.
ये मैं बताऊंगा.
So we haven't taken negative fraction.
हाँ, जो हमने फ्रैक्शंस पढ़े हैं वो
की बात
पॉजिटिव
करी है.
हाँ,
सिर्फ पॉजिटिव ही करें. नेगेटिव फ्रैक्शन की बात आपने अभी तक नहीं करी.
करेंगे ना डिटेल में.
Okay.
I will talk about this.
Fractions can have a value lesser than 0.
हाँ.
This is statement is
हाँ, नेगेटिव फ्रैक्शंस कैन आल्सो बी.
मैंने गूगल किया तो उसमें दोनों आंसर्स हैं.
Yes, negative
Yes
fractions
and
also.
no as well.
Yes, negative fractions are also there. I will talk about this. क्या HCF तो 1 आएगा. ये तो LCM है. 15, 12, 15, 20 में सब में क्या कॉमन है? सब में No need to check. Krishan Kant Joshi, no need to check. That I will teach. Okay. Sir, still waiting answer for my question. हाँ ठीक है. गौरव चौहान, आपको पता चल गया ना HCF का. HCF has to be common from all the number. HCF means it has to be common from all the number. संडे टाइमिंग तो वी कैन कीप 11. आपके बैच के साथ ही कर देंगे. हाँ 11 starting में 11 when we will conduct full length test, then 2 because in UPSC also timing is 2:30, mainly 2:30 will. आप 12 बजे आगे भी दे सकते हैं. 11 से लेके 4 बजे के बीच में कभी भी आ सकते हो. दैट इज नॉट ए प्रॉब्लम. है नहीं ना, आपने 3 लिया, वो 12 और 15 में तो था, 20 में तो नहीं है ना, तो 3 सब में कॉमन नहीं है, तो इन सब में अगर कुछ भी कॉमन नहीं है तो 1 है, तो आंसर 1 है. इनका HF 1 है, HF 1 हो जाएगा. कितना कितना मार्क्स आया आपका? 64 आए थे, तो देन नो इशू. थीम बेस्ड लेक्चर होगा, सारी क्लासेस आप कर लेंगे. दैट विल नॉट फेस. हैव यू डन कोचिंग अर्लियर? नो. तो देन इट्स ओके. शॉर्ट ट्रिक होगा, उससे यू गेन 20 मार्क्स. थीम बेस्ड लेक्चर मिला के यू विल बी एट ए रेंज ऑफ 90 मार्क्स. आप सारा क्लासेस करो, थीम बेस्ड लेक्चर करो और टेस्ट दो. मोर देन एनफ होगा आपके लिए, मोर देन एनफ होगा. यस, आपके लिए मोर देन एनफ होगा, हो जाएगा आपका. ओके जी. Sir, there are times when right approach to a question click the first instance, but sometimes solving the same takes a lot of time due to lack of practice. हाँ जी कौशिक मिश्रा जी, कोई इशू नहीं है. हम क्लास के साथ साथ प्रोसीड करेंगे, सारे टॉपिक करेंगे, टॉपिक वाइज करेंगे, तो उससे आपको हो जाएगा. ठीक है. वो तो आपको उनसे मिलना पड़ेगा, रशिया शर्मा से. हाँ मैं टीचर है, तो मेरा कुछ नहीं है, वहाँ पे एकेडमिक हेड है मिस्टर रशिया शर्मा. रशिया शर्मा, उनसे बात कीजिए. आप एक बार रशिया शर्मा से बात. ओके ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक यू वेरी मच. ठीक है. 2 जनवरी वी हैव नेक्स्ट क्लास, तो सैटरडे आई एम नॉट टेकिंग क्लास, so you enjoy your new year. 2 January onward weekly there will be 4 classes. If in between any extra class required for basic part, I will take Thursday or Thursday I will have for basic class. So Monday, Wednesday we will have class on number system. Thursday we will take a basic class on percentage, ratio, proportion, average, and then Friday we will take class on percentage. I will tell you the schedule on Monday. क्लास किया और 1 घंटा एक्स्ट्रा प्रैक्टिस की घर पे, हो जाएगा. आपको क्लास रिवाइज जरूरी करनी है, ठीक है, ऑन द सेम डे. एंड